Hi guys, this is Jen from Sherman Realty. Today we are in Brentwood. Brentwood is a community built around 1960. Now all the house while renovation will be very old, but today we have a house that has some renovation in it, and let me show you around. Now we're inside the house in the living room area. As you can see, we do have brand new laminate flooring, new light fixture, as well as we have a very sunny, bright, south-facing front. So now we're in the kitchen area. As you can see, we do have brand new quartz countertop, brand new cabinets, and unforgettable sinks. Here is a separate entrance to the basement, which can be separately rented out. Welcome to the bathroom. Now we do have a brand new updated bathroom, as well as the sink. Can we test it? The toilet works as well. Now this is one of the bedrooms. We do have east-facing windows. A nice size for a double size bed. Right here is the master bedroom. Now in this master bedroom, the feature is we do have two closets for both he and she. Now we're in the basement. We do have a lot of space right here, perfect for entertainment or wine nights. We do have a lot of wine closet right here for your space to store it for all of your personal collections. Here's the additional space. As you can see, we do have a bookshelf here, perfect for all your collection of books and your novels.
Yeah, and you can open the window on the side too.
Right here. Here's the garage space. As you can see, we do have a workshop right here, and also the entrance for the back. Now in the back in the sunroom. As we open the door, we do have a walkout. If you look to my left, we do have a perfect space for entertainment, as I can imagine myself playing and the switch right here. Right here we do have a heater, which is also included. Very nice and warm, as you can see, warming up right here.